Tired of the Vulkan Engine DLL gaming error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'm going to fix your multimedia stack and eliminate that pop-up. Before we start the Vulkan Engine configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This DLL file is the primary loader for the Vulkan Graphics API. It acts as the bridge between applications and the graphics driver, enabling high-performance, low-overhead 3D rendering in modern PC games. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error usually appears when required graphics runtime components for the Vulkan engine are missing. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX libraries, then update your graphics drivers if the DLL is GPU compute related. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Vulkan engine component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of the Vulkan Engine DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for the Vulkan engine. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got the Vulkan engine working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.